English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A1, kind, last night, walk. Kind. Kind is a noun. A1 learners usually know kind. At A1, kind means type and refers to a group of things with similar characteristics. Here are some examples. What kind of fruit do you prefer? My favourite kind of sport is cycling. Her travel company was the first of its kind. Last night. Last night is a phrase. A1 learners usually know last night. Here are some examples. I went out last night. He didn't sleep well last night. Did you watch television last night? Walk. Walk is a verb. A1 learners usually know walk. At A1, to walk is to move forward by putting one foot in front of the other. Here are some examples. We walk home every day. She walks 2 miles to work and then back again later. Yesterday, the car was in the garage, so we walked to the shops. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with kind, last night and walk. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the CEFR A1 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.